Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the notifications and status bar. So do not go to the battery, just notifications and status bar. Then tap on status bar. And here we've got the option battery percentage, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got 3 different options available in this device. So the outside, which is currently applied, and you can see the percentage next to the battery icon. Inside, so it will be displayed inside the battery icon, or hide, and you will have only the graphical the graphical icon. So it's of course up to you. I think I prefer this one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.